Beach Waves is a series of paintings that I started creating as a form of art therapy. For me, the ocean is a place of peace, of clarity, of solace, and it's very therapeutic for me to spend time by the ocean, take my socks and shoes off and put my feet in the sand. That is really a full idea of energy and emotion that I said I want to put into a series of work and allow it to speak from me. And maybe allow it to speak for other people that feel the way I do, that go through these emotions and feel the need to express or need to use art as therapy or just want to communicate in a visual medium. That's what this series is about. That's who this series is for. That's what it represents, that energy of transmuting whatever it is that made us who we are into something that could be positive and uplift other people. The Beach Wave series is about having fun. It's about being optimistic, reaching for the stars, being free. I want people to see my work and believe in themselves more. Understand that there's no right or wrong way to do anything. I want people to feel free. I want people to understand that they can communicate how they're feeling in any way that they choose through art. And I want people to be uplifted when they see my work.